Hey mom. So today's video is going to be straight to the point, real short. I'm just going to give you my new hey mom theory. It's actually how I started this exact video. I start with hey mom. And I got this idea years ago when I started helping my mom get Zoom set up. And it's a great way for you to start your videos, especially if you're new and starting out. It's a way to help you simplify, get to the point, and actually provide value in your videos. Hey there, my name's Brad Smith, owner of AutomationLinks. Been doing this marketing stuff for the last 10 years, work with over 2,500 brands. You can always learn more here. But I just want to break down quickly my Hey Mom method. And if you stick with me to the end, I'm going to tell you exactly how I script my videos so you can use that prompt, steal it, and use it for yourself. All right, you ready? Let's get started. So here's how it works. You just start off your video saying, Hey Mom. And then you think about speaking to your mom every step of the video by keeping it simple, explaining it slowly, and actually making sure she gets the lesson. Now, if maybe you don't have or a mom in your life happen, I'm sorry, but you can also think about somebody else in your life that's maybe older, that's not really tech savvy, or doesn't really understand 100% of what you're speaking about. Because what you want to do, if you've heard the saying, is explain your business or explain your process to a third grader so everybody can understand. That's kind of the theory here, is you want to simplify it, make it easy to understand, but have somebody in your head that you're speaking directly to provide that value to. So I'm start my videos with, hey mom, then the editor can edit that part out. And then you say, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Zoom account. That's exactly how this started. Then you basically say, go to the website zoom.us, because it's not .com, it's US. Explain in great detail on how to get there. Click on the button that says log in with your email and your password. Download the extension to your computer. If you're on a Mac, it just makes it a little bit harder. Drag and drop it to the folder. Click it again to download it. Approve all the requests. Click the button, open it, sign in again. Approve all the access on your computer. Click the Mac icon in the top left. Approve your mouse. Approve your camera. Approve your audio. Approve sharing screen. And then you can walk them through all the little details. So that's how you can make your videos. You start with, hey mom, here's my explanation. I'm going to break it down. I'm going to simplify it. And I'm going to make it easy for you to figure it out. And that's how your videos should be. It's educational, simple, break it down step by step, and provide a ton of value in your videos. Share your screen, make it personal and relatable. So that's how I help my mom set up Zoom, just like that. And now that's how I try to think about making my videos moving forward. So if you're having trouble explaining your videos, if you're having trouble getting views, or even just nervous to start out, try thinking about that. Talk to somebody that is maybe much lower than you on knowledge about what you're speaking about. Think about them in the head, start off by addressing them, and then break down each phase from there. So I hope that helps. And if you comment system down below, somebody from my team will send you my full AI checklist where it gives you the prompt on how to prompt these videos with my Hey method. Hey mom, this is how you're going to do this and learn this. So I would love to hear who you would be speaking to in the comments below. Are you speaking to your aunt? Are you speaking to your grandma? Speaking to your mom? Are you speaking to your kids? Are you speaking to somebody at school? Just tell me. It'd be awesome to hear the different people you could talk to really simplify this and break it down. So if this video brought you any value, it'd be awesome if you subscribe. I'd love to see your first video. So make sure you put your YouTube channel down below. And if you want to learn more about making these videos simple, easy, and even maybe running some YouTube ads, check this playlist out here. And until then, I'll see you on the next video.